Hello everybody, welcome to yet another video. इस वीडियो में we'll be solving a challenge by Integrity which is called HackDonalds. It is a simple web app challenge that was launched a week ago, but मेरे को time नहीं मिल पाया. But I had this tab open. आज 19 है, challenge is already over. I had some time, so let's figure this out. Now, in this video, I'll be just showing you how I approach. Different people have different methodologies, so feel free to follow anyone that you like. First of all, what I'll be doing is I'll be turning on my intercept, and let's go to Webalizer first. As you can see, there are a few things that pop up. सबसे पहले आप देखोगे React पे बना है by Next.js, and you also see the version number which is 13.2.0, which is kind of interesting. Now, generally, because this is a JavaScript based framework, ज़्यादातर चीज़ें what I like to think is either you brute force the endpoints or you see those endpoints in JavaScript files. But let's come to that. We have our burp here and let's try to explore the application. As you can see, यहाँ पर एक admin page है which shows secret sauce password. Let's enter a random password. Let's turn on our intercept, login. Let's send it to repeater, and it says invalid password. That's fine, that's all right. Let's go to the repeater tab, or repeater tab में let's try to see what we can do. First of all, you can try for SQL injection. I already did that, it does not work. Secondly, what you can do is you can try for NoSQL injection as well. क्या पता मिल जाए, क्योंकि generally when it comes to these type of application, MongoDB is very common. So मैंने क्या किया, I tried NoSQL injection as it says invalid password. As you can see, यहाँ पे 401 unauthorized भी आ रहा है. What I can do is let's enter this. Let's turn do intercept response to this request, and let's say 200. Okay, let's put it true. We are doing a simple response manipulation here. Let's forward it. As you can see, straight away we get a /admin endpoint, but as you can see कोई cookie set नहीं हो रही है, so it will probably fail. As you can see, nothing happens. So it again takes us to the login page. Great. Now what we can do, मेरे को एक idea आया है. When it comes to these applications, what you can do is you can go to inspect, go to debugger, and you will see all the endpoints here. Generally chunks में आता है, and you will see all the pages listed here. But if you go to build manifest.js, you will see all the list of endpoints here, like index, which you can already see is here. Error भी होगा यहाँ पे. Okay, error is not there. There should be an admin, जो कि नहीं है. So what I can do is I can go here, put it here, and I can go do this. Okay, I'm sorry about this. Let me turn off my intercept, and no issues at all. I get a 404, which is not expected. Okay, now why is this happening? Because there's a slash next that I need to append or prepend. Next. Okay, as you can see, this is it. What I will do is I will go to JavaScript beautifier. Here it is. Let me paste it and let me beautify. Now मैं क्या करूँगा? I'll see क्या कोई admin page पे कोई API है that I can make use of that might have broken authorization. As you can see, कुछ है नहीं यहाँ पे खास. The next thing that I did was I tried to brute force for different endpoints. As you can see, मेरे पास API endpoint था, क्योंकि the request for the login endpoint is going through /API. So what I did was I tried to look for any endpoints, and I try to brute force it using a normal word list, which is API seen in the wild. But as you can see, I got nothing out of it, so it was a dead end. Alright, cool. Now what are the other endpoints that I see? The other endpoints are ice cream detail, ID this. Great. So let me take this, let's paste it here, and I get this. Great. Let me paste it in beautifier, and here you will see something else, which is /API/parse XML. So this gives you an idea कि this we might accept a XML request, and the content type is application JSON. So I have to make sure कि जो XML है it is supplied in the form of a JSON body, right? So content type इसका क्या होगा, application JSON, but I have to figure out the body as well. But let's first of all see क्या वो endpoint exist करता भी है कि नहीं. Let's see. Okay, it exists. Let's send an empty body. As you can see, it says /login. Now this means that I need to provide a valid password, but our previous attempts to enumerate those passwords failed, right? So what can we do? So trying to look for issues, I want to like bring your attention to this Next.js 13.2.0. Now if you search this online, Next.js 13.2.0 vulnerabilities, you will come across something which you'll come across the CVE. Now if you try to look for a POC, so there are nuclei POC, बहुत सारे POCs हैं, you can like look it up. I tried to look for one और मेरे को यहाँ पर मिल गया, which was from a GitHub page. But if you look for nuclei templates में आपको मिल जाएगा सब कुछ. So what it accepts, like in scenarios like this where it is like redirecting you to a different endpoint, and if there exists a misconfiguration in the middleware, so what you can do is you can append this header in the request body. Now what will end up happening is it will bypass authorization completely. So let's see. And as you can see, we have bypass authorization. Now we are getting a 400 bad request, और पहले क्या था 307 temporary redirect. So we have successfully exploited that CVE. ओके ग्रेट. तो एक काम तो हो गया. नाउ हाउ डू वी एक्सप्लॉइट XML? नाउ XML से आपके दिमाग में XXE आना चाहिए. सो लेट्स फिगर दिस आउट. सो एज यू कैन सी नेक्स्ट लाइन में आपको देखेगा बॉडी, and it is trying to json.stringify, which means it accepts a key of XML. so वो बना लेता हूँ मैं XML. ग्रेट. बट ये M क्या है? सो लेट्स ट्राई टू बैक ट्रैक, पीछे ढूंढ के देखते हैं M कहाँ पर है. सो एज यू कैन सी M यहाँ पे है, and this appears to be the body. So let's copy this out. Here I have sublime text open. These double quotes will mess up my terminal, or sorry, my burp, or the request in the burp. So what I will do is I'll replace them with single quote. Let me replace it. Okay, great. Now I can remove this concat and I can replace this with IDs. So as you can see यहाँ पे there are a few IDs, right? IDT 1, there will be 2. So let's do this. Great. So this doesn't look much of a problem. This should work probably. Let's try to send it. As you can see, this looks valid. There is machine, then there is ID make number hai 1. So let's try to send it. As you can see, we are like things are getting reflected. So because things are getting reflected, we can try to look for XXE. So here I have open payload all the things जिसमें मैंने XXE injection देखा हुआ है. Let's bring a doc type just after the XML, and let me also remove this double quote, single quote. Great. And what I will do is I'll replace this one with 1, और यहाँ पे example की जगह 1 की जगह मैं लिख दूंगा and example. Let's see if it works. And as you can see, वापस से 1 आ गया, reflect हो गया यहाँ पे. Let's for sanity purposes let's put it 2, and as you can see it works. So great. The next thing we have to do is we have to extract the flag. So what we can do is we can try to see if this works. Okay, great. Okay, and यहाँ पे इसका नाम है test. So let's put it test ID के अंदर, and as you can see it works. Now यहाँ पे हमें flag नहीं दिख रहा है. So next thing I thought of, like, let's find out the directory structure. I have this document from nextjs.org, and here you will see the directory structure. Now one thing that I was confused at, कि directory structure जो Next.js का होता है is it's like /app/ all the files, right? So as you can see /app page is public, but the problem is most of the time this app directory exists either in the root folder, but that's very rare. What I have seen in the wild is like वो ऐप डायरेक्टरी होती है यूज़र के होम डायरेक्टरी के अंदर. So for example, if this is my home directory, right? तो इसके अंदर होगा वो ऐसे users राहुल सिंह एंड इसके अंदर होगा ऐप. सो आई हैड टू लाइक आई थॉट of doing this. It did not work. I took some help, and help के बाद कुछ पता चला कि you can do what you can probably try is you can also try this app. And but app के अंदर क्या, right? So here you will see a lot of files, which is nextconfig.js. You can try all of these, and eventually what will help you is the package.json file. So here, as you can see, we get a flag here. So thank you guys. I hope this was of some use to you. Thank you.